Moving a massive library circulation desk with Airsled. When the Rockport Public Library in Rockport, Maine needed to safely move their massive circulation desk over delicate wood flooring during a renovation, Airsled was there to help. Due to the desk's length and shape, multiple Airsled systems were required for adequate support. With Airsled, large objects with unique configurations are safely moved over smooth, delicate surfaces. Airsled systems are excellent tools for preventing property damage and bodily injury when moving heavy objects. Features like tight spaces and sharp turns are no problem for Airsled systems. This project was made possible by the hayrunner team.